Well, I'm Chris, and this is my getting your new license plates video. So you got a new car, used car, it doesn't matter. You've been riding around with the temporary tag, your plates come in the mail. What do? Where do you start? So all these license plate screws are pretty much the same, flathead or Phillips. So this is a temporary license plate. There's no reason to save this. And this right here is free advertising for the dealership. So unless you just got so used to that look, you don't need any of this. This is all trash. Some people will think the plate looks naked without this, or order your favorite one. I do not run anything like this, ever. So your plates are gonna go back to the place that you bought the truck or car from, and they can mail them to you. They don't always stay on top of that, so you might have to call them. Get your new plate. I'm gonna do this one-handed, so there's no reason you can't do it with two. And now you wanna center your plate. Just make sure it looks right. So the biggest mistake I see is people start trying to crank this down with a lot of force. Just snug this stuff up, see? Like that. It does not have to be tight. You'll strip it out. Make sure your plate's centered. Looks good. So your license plates are gonna come with your window sticker, registration sticker. In Texas, we don't have an inspection sticker anymore, so I would just use this line. I'm gonna put it on off camera because it's kind of weird on this truck, but I would just get it straight with that line and as low as possible. So you're just gonna kind of flick it on there the best you can. See, we're parallel with that line the best we can. And then just try to flatten it down the best you can. You don't want the sticker coming off. So when you spray Armor All and stuff on the dash, you can get it on the windshield and just take some alcohol on a rag or paper towel and clean that little section so your sticker doesn't fall off. So this is a brand new truck. I haven't Armor All the dash yet, but I have seen people put them on there and that sticker falls off. See how it's just as straight as I can, just make it look neat. You see where I put the sticker? I've seen people put them up here and put them up there, do weird stuff. That's where you want to put the sticker, right there, just like that. Now let's get the license plate on the front. Oh, this one does not fit in there right. Look, the holes are off. We might have to use the bottom holes. So that is a first for me. I'm 40 years old. I have done this so many times. Brand new truck and the holes are not in line. And I had to angle the screws down, but we got them in there and I'm just gonna leave it like that. So just wanted to show that on a video. I know it's super simple, but some people might not know how to do this or where everything goes. I am in Houston, Texas. Here in Houston, the police aren't too bad about pulling you over, but a state trooper will pull you over instantly, and they are not gonna be nice to you. They will yell at you. So make sure you get that done. This is not worth saving. You don't need that. Throw it in the trash. The piece you got your little sticker from, that's your registration. In Texas, you don't have to show it to the cops, but I still keep it in there like that. So now I feel so much better. If you notice, those plates expired in January 22nd. I think it's February 18th or 19th right now, but I feel so much safer. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.